You hear the term sill plate and wonder what that is. Stay tuned and I'll tell you everything you need to know about your home's sill plate. Hi, I'm Andy Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. The term sill plate isn't used much, so in this video we're going to talk about what the sill plate is, why it may need to be replaced, and how the replacement is done. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. A sill plate is a term for the piece of wood that lays directly on top of your foundation wall and your floor joists set on. This provides separation from your vertical floor joists from sitting directly on top of the foundation wall itself. A sill plate needs to be replaced when it starts to rot out, whether that's due to moisture or any kind of insect intrusion. What happens when that rots out is the floor joists that sit on top of the sill plate begin to settle. Now typically a sill plate is a 2x4 or a 2x6, so that provides up to 1.5 inches of that floor to settle, which you're going to see that direct relationship, that settlement, in your home against your walls of the exterior of your home. So you'll get gaps in your baseboard, or bookshelves will start leaning towards an outside wall, plus seeing doors not open properly or cracks in drywall. To replace the sill plate, we have to come in and put in temporary beams underneath the floor joists right next to the foundation wall. So we have to push those floor joists back to where they were originally, clean out that old sill plate if it's just completely deteriorated or there's chunks. We have to get that out, and then we put in place a brand new piece of wood to the exact dimensions as the old one, so that your home's not any higher or changed from its original build. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your sill plate? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.